Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can deposit your money onto Cash App, so let's get right into it. Now, you can do a couple of different things, and I'll be covering all of them here on the support article. The reason being is because I don't have Cash App in my region, or any of these merchants that allow direct deposit, so I'm sorry I can't show you guys, but it is what it is. Hope you guys understand. But yeah, you can do it in a couple of different ways. You can do a paper money deposit, and you can locate the merchants which can do that, such as 7-Eleven, Bakers, Abash's, City Market, Circle K, CVS Pharmacies, Dillon's, Delic, Dodge Foods, Dollar General, etc. GoMart, I'm pretty sure Walmart is also, yep. You do need to see the Source Customer Service Desk or Money Center in Walmart if you want to do it. Pretty sure you can also use a couple of different famous chains. But yeah, that is pretty much the list, as you can see here on my screen. And you just need to go there. They will all require a $1 transaction fee if you want to do cash deposits. But yeah, you can tap the banking tab on your Cash App home screen, select paper money, and find the location near you, or use the search bar to enter an address, and then go to there, and you'll be asked to do the specific, steps needed to deposit money or paper money directly, and that's pretty much it. You can also do direct deposit, which you can also set up, which I've covered on in a tutorial before, so you can check that out as well. Or you can easily just pay from your bank account, which should be set up along with your Cash App account. So just connect your debit card, and you'll be able to send the money to your debit card very easily. If you have your cash card on a Cash App, you can send the money from the debit card to the Cash App card, and you'll be able to get your funds that way. But that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.